You ever had like the worst client in the world and you're like, my client is the absolute devil? By the way, if you're like, who's this guy and why is he giving me advice? That's my work right there, walidazami.com, so you can Google it yourself. If you've ever had a client that's like the worst thing ever, there's probably 1% chance that they are the worst thing ever. There's a 99% chance that we can turn this into a massive win for you. Chances are they're completely unheard, not just with work, but in all departments of their life, and they just want to be heard. So now they're extra defensive and they're loud and they're boisterous and they want to make sure that you know what's up. So here's how we make sure that they're heard. Sit down with them and say this question: what would a successful project look like to you? And then, no matter how tempting it is, sit back and listen. And if you have RBF, bring a little smile. Because people with RBF, I got one too, were like this. And that's intimidating. Put on a little smile and listen. And they're going to tell you everything that they need for you to have a successful project. And all you need to do is download that up here or write it in a piece of paper and then deliver on that. And not only are they going to love you, they're going to think you're a magician. They're going to realize that you validated them and they're going to be your client over, and over. Difficult person is either going to ruin your business or they're going to be your biggest advocate because you made them feel special. They're going to make sure everybody knows how incredible you are. Part 2. If you think your client is the devil, they haven't been respected. They might have had a really horrible photo shoot before you or a video shoot. So ask them what their experience is. Ask them what they loved about it and repeat that and give them better service than that. And ask them what they didn't like about it and then avoid that and fill that in with good things. And here are 3 ways to make sure that a client who had a terrible experience has an incredible experience and with you. Number 1, promise them a delivery date and then beat your own date and deliver ahead of schedule. They're going to love you. Their mind is going to explode, okay? If their budget is enough and you are under budget, deliver under budget and consider giving a refund back for the section you did not use. Now you might be thinking, the hell, Walid? You want me to give some of my money away? No, I'm telling you, let them know how honest you are, and they're going to be a client for life. The third thing is under promise, over deliver. Now you hear that a lot, but in photography, it's as simple as, hey, I know that in our photo package, you're supposed to get only 6 pictures. You didn't pick this one, the 7th one. I just think you look so great, so I made sure that I wanted you to have it. So that's on me. That's on the house. Clients for life.